Hello, future teachers. Today, I will be showing you how to make an appointment with an advisor from the Center for Careers in Teaching. Before we get started, please note that you can only make an appointment if you are a current CSUF student. If you are a prospective student, please call our office or email us for more information. If you already completed your bachelor's degree and have questions about the credential programs, then you need to attend a credential program overview. With that being said, let's get started. To get to our website, visit ed.fullerton.edu/cct. Next, click on the Advising tab. This will take you to a page that shares a description of what we provide in the Center for Careers in Teaching. If you haven't filled out our interest form already, please do so that we may learn more about you and your career goals. Once you've done that, click on the tab that says Advising Appointments on the drop-down bar on the left side of your screen. Click the drop-down option that says New or Continuing Cal State Fullerton Students Completing a Bachelor's Degree. Then click on Make Appointment. This will take you to the Navigate website where you will go ahead and log in with your student account. Once you log in, you will be taken to the Navigate homepage. Click on the third tab that says Appointments, then click Make Appointment. When selecting the type of appointment you'd like to schedule, make sure that you select Advising, and for service, make sure it says Academic Advising for Future Teachers. Then click Find Available Time. A list of dates and times will pop up, and you can select the one that works best for you. You can also filter the appointment by staff member and how you'd like to meet. We offer both in-person and online appointments. Once you select the date and time, please review the appointment details and confirm. You can also sign up for email and text message reminders. Lastly, click on the schedule button and there you go. We look forward to meeting you and guiding you on the teaching pathway.